Alright, on this channel, I'm gonna share my trading journey. I've been trading for a little less than a year, maybe a year. Um, and I've generated about $7,300 in payouts since November. So, like, March through November, I basically just kept losing money, basically. But the $73 in payouts, I made all the money back I've lost in evals, and more. So that was kind of nice. But this is the trade recap on the day. So market opens, and we get bought up into this 5 minute fair value gap, and we end up taking this high on ES and creating a SMT. Um, so I scaled down to the 1 minute. We also take out this internal high before tapping the 5 minute gap. Then we get a 1 minute change in the state right here. And we displace. Then we get a pullback into the change and for value gap. And I entered short. And my stop was at this black candle high. So I literally almost got stopped out. I was kind of lucky. Um, so, and then I took my profits at this generated low right there. So if I had another contract, I probably would have taken this position off at, damn, we're dumping right now. I would have taken it out at this low right here. Um, and this is also a 4 hour fair value gap. And one more thing is standard deviation on this move lines up perfectly in the 2.5 range with the 4 hour gap and the low. So if I had another contract, I probably would have let it run. But I was risking about like $370. I didn't want to add another con. Um, so yeah, so we start to displace back into the range, and we end up taking this low before NQ does. So we get a mini SMT, but I'm not worried about that because everything's screaming to me that we're gonna go lower. So I thought this was gonna get invalidated, and it did. So we kept holding this 1 minute for value gap. Oh, and also when we created this SMT, I put my stop to break. So break even was about it was like right here or something. Um, so I put that stop because we created SMT, and also if we end up running this 1 minute gap, this invalidates my model. So I was expecting this for value gap to hold. And then we just dump into my take profit and took off all my positions at this low right here. And I made about $1,200 on this trade. And I accidentally entered for 2 seconds, lost $50 immediately, so that was cool. But on this channel, I'm gonna post wins, losses, blow up days, payouts, everything. So yeah, we have FOMC later tomorrow, later today. So we'll see what trades I take tomorrow. As long as I'm patient, wait for my setup, I shouldn't have anything to worry about.